How to add the secure Wi-Fi widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold. Next, we go down and then tap on Widgets. In here, scroll down, then tap on Secure Wi-Fi. Now in here, there are 4 different sizes that you could choose. 2x1, which is the small size. Then you got the medium size, 2x2 or 4x1, or a larger size, 4x2. Now simply drag one of the widgets and then drop onto your home screen and let go. Now tap on it to try it. Here, tap on continue and then continue. And that's it. Now just tap on turn on secure Wi-Fi and then tap on allow. And then choose all the time. And then I agree and then tap on allow to turn on auto protect Wi-Fi. Here we can tap on it to quickly open up secure Wi-Fi and then turn on protect. And that's it. When it has a blue color, it is now turned on. So you can tap on it now to turn it on, quickly switch it off directly from your home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.